Hello guys, recently I have ordered two bags from Myntra for myself and finally I have received it. Here is the one and here's the another one. So I thought of sharing with you guys, so let's unbox this. Brand Accessorize. Look at the very beautiful and stylish bag. Let me take closer. It has a zip closer. It is from the brand Accessorize. It has one compartment and where you can put your cell phones and some of your cosmetics items on it. This is an elegant, stylish accessorized bag that will surely add grace to your evening look and make you stand out in a crowd. Another beautiful grey and lavender floral print ceiling bag from the brand of ELLE. It has a button closer, one inner pocket, one main compartment. The zips are perfect. You can add your ATM cards. You can also put your mobile phones, your cosmetic like blushes, your lipsticks and the small cosmetics. You can add it on this bag. It is in a synthetic material. Guys, I'm just loving it. Hope you enjoy watching the video. Thank you.